If you've ever thought Christmas pudding is tricky, I've got you. In 2 minutes, I'll show you how to make it, steam it, and serve it with that iconic blue flame safely. First, the fruit. Raisins, sultanas, currants, chopped dried apricots, zest of 1 orange, 50 milliliter brandy, or apple juice. Stir and leave to soak overnight. Short on time? Microwave 1 minute, cover and rest 15 minutes. Now the batter. 75 g self-raising flour, 75 g fresh breadcrumbs, 100 g dark brown sugar, 100 g shredded sweet or grated cold butter, 1 TSP mixed spice, 1/2 TSP cinnamon, a pinch of salt. Add 1 grated apple, 1 TBSP black treacle or molasses, 2 beaten eggs. Add the soaked fruit with any liquid. Stir until thick and sticky. If it's dry, add a splash of milk. Prep the basin. Grease a 1-liter pudding basin. Line the base with a circle of parchment. Spoon in the mixture and level. Cover with pleated parchment and foil, pleat facing up. Tie with string and add a string handle for easy lifting. Steam. Set the basin on an upturned saucer in a deep pot. Add boiling water to halfway up the basin. Cover and simmer gently 3 hours, topping up with hot water as needed. Instant pot. Steam pressure. Cook on high for 60-70 minutes with a cup of water. Natural release. Cool 10 minutes, then unwrap. Replace with fresh parchment and foil and let it cool completely. For best flavor, store up to 6 weeks in a cool, dark place. Feed weekly with a teaspoon of brandy or a teaspoon of apple juice. Same day, totally fine. To serve, re-steam 1 hour, or microwave slices 30-40 seconds. Unmold onto a warm, flame-proof plate. Warm 50 ml brandy in a small pan. Do not boil. Pour over the pudding. Dim the lights and light with a long match. Let it flame out, then slice. Serve with brandy butter, custard, softly whipped cream. No alcohol? Skip the flame and drizzle orange syrup. That's your classic Christmas pudding. Rich, glossy, and celebration ready. You've got this.